Hello my dear students, in the previous video we discussed four different types of long questions from class 10 math chapter compound interest. The four questions are listed on the screen right now. Today we will discuss two more questions from chapter compound interest. They are the long questions of 5 marks each. Question number 5. The difference between simple interest and compound interest of a certain sum of money for 2 years at the rate of interest 7% per annum is rupees 1470. Find the sum. This question is asked in SE 2073. Here in the question, the time is 2 years, rate of interest is 7% per annum, and the difference between simple interest and compound interest is rupees 1470. We need to find the sum or the principal here.
Solution. Here in the question, time t is equal to 2 years, rate r is equal to 7% per annum, principal p is equal to what? We need to find the sum or principal. By question, we know compound interest minus simple interest is equal to rupees 1470. Difference between simple interest and compound interest is rupees 1470, or p 1 plus r by 100 power t minus 1 minus simple interest p t r by 100 equals to 1470, or let's put the value 1 plus value of r is 7 divided by 100 power t, power value of t is 2 minus 1. We don't know p, t is 2, r is 7 divided by 100 equals to 1470, or p 1 plus 7 divided by 100 is 0.07, this one minus 1, 7 is 14, 14 p divided by 100 is equal to 1470, or p 1 plus 0.07 is 1.07 whole square minus 1. 14 divided by 100 becomes 0.14 p equals to 370, or p 1.07 whole square is 1.1449 minus 1 minus 0.14 p equals to 1470, or 1.1449 minus 1 becomes 0.1419, so you can write 0.1449 p minus 0.14 p equals to 1470. Or 0.1449 p minus 0.14 p becomes 0.0049 p equals to 1470, or p is equal to 1470 divided by 0.0049, or p is equal to rupees, if we divide 1470 by 0.0049, then we will get 3 lakh. Hence required sum is rupees 3 lakh.
Question number 6. The difference between the compound interest and simple interest on a sum of money for 2 years at the interest rate of 5% per annum is rupees 30. Find the compound interest. This question is asked in SLC 2059. In this question, 2 years is the time, 5% per annum is the rate, and rupees 30 is the difference between compound interest and simple interest. We need to find out the compound interest from this question.
Solution. Here in the question, time is 2 years, rate R is equal to 5% per annum. We need to find out the compound interest. Before finding compound interest, we should find out the principal. So by question, principal P is equal to what? We don't know it. After finding the principal, we find compound interest. By question, we know compound interest minus simple interest is equal to rupees 30. Or P 1 plus R by 100 all power T minus 1 minus PT R by 100 is equal to 30. Or P 1 plus value of R is 5 divided by 100, value of T is 2 minus 1. P into time is 2, rate is 5 divided by 100 equals to 30. Or P 1 plus 5 divided by 100 is 0.05, square minus 1 minus P 5 is 10 divided by 100. 10 1 is 10, 10 10 is 100. Or P 1 plus 0.05 is 1.05 square minus 1 minus. Here remains P by 1 by 10 equals to 30. Or P 1.05 whole square is 1.1025 minus 1. It's 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. The remaining is P 30. Or 1 minus 1025 minus 1 is 0.1025 P minus 0.1 P equals to 30. Or 0.0025 P is equal to 30. Or P is equal to 30 divided by 0.0025. Therefore, P equals to rupees 12,000. Now, let's calculate the compound interest. Compound interest is equal to P 1 plus R divided by 100 whole power T minus 1. Or we could have directly used 0.1025 P. Value of P is 12,000. 1 plus rate is 5% divided by 100. Time is 2 minus 1. It will equal to 12,000 1 plus 0.05 square minus 1. If we calculate this without the calculator, then we will get 0.1025. If we multiply this, we will get rupees 1230. Hence, the compound interest, the required compound interest is rupees 1230.
If you have any confusion and questions from today's discussion, you can comment below. In our next video, we'll discuss some more long question answers from chapter compound interest. To get more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe and press notification button to get more videos like this at first.